Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. And in today's video I'm really excited to help you achieve realistic pencil drawing and probably take your drawing skills to the next level. So if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Okay, so to help you understand how you can achieve realistic pencil drawing, you need to have a better understanding of how values work or how to create the correct values in a portrait. Okay, so this is the fundamental or the core part of achieving a realistic drawing. Okay, so you should be able to identify the differences in values of an image. Okay, so basically for me, I make use of charcoal pencils and graphite pencils, and also some blending tools. Okay, so when it comes to the blending tools, I make use of the brush, the normal brush that we all know, and soft foam. So with the charcoal pencils, I believe any brand is fine, and same as the graphite pencils. So this is a work that I started recently. So basically when I start, I usually go with a lighter pencil, for example an HB or a 2B. Okay, and I try to shade gradually, and I build up layers, because when you do that it gives you the flexibility to improve upon your layers. Okay, so you don't need to start all the way or start with a darker pencil. It's better and easier to start with a lighter pencil. Then as you keep on shading, you improve upon it, and basically that's the best way to start a drawing, unless maybe the image is really dark. Then with that one you can skip some of the lighter pencil. You can probably go with a 4B or even probably a 3B. Okay, so sometimes it comes down to the image that you are drawing, but to be on the safer side, start with a lighter pencil and build upon layers step by step. Okay, so I usually take my time, and to be able to achieve a realistic drawing, you need to take your time and be patient. Don't rush your work, and practice more, and with time you are going to improve upon what you already know. Okay, so with the blending stamps, probably I like the foam. Okay, the foam gives me the flexibility to shade or blend the graphite pencils smoothly. Okay, so I make really good use of the foam. And also with the brushes, I tend to use the brushes a lot. It helps in blending. Okay, so when I'm shading, I focus more on the values, and I try to build enough correct values as possible as I can. Okay, because without the correct values, it will be very difficult for you to bring in the details. The details rely on the values. Okay, so I spend more time trying to get the correct values by differentiating between the darker tones, the mid tones, and the highlights. So once the values or the correct values are achieved, then I try to bring in the details bit by bit. Okay, it takes time, and you have to be patient if you want to get it right. Okay, so don't focus on the details in the initial stages. Focus more, spend more time trying to achieve the correct values. Okay, then after that you can start building upon your details bit by bit. And with this, then you move on to the textures. Skin textures are really important. They usually add realism to your drawing when you try to create them in the correct way. Okay, and skin textures usually differ from one skin to the other. Skin textures are not the same, so the best way to treat or attempt skin textures is to try to create it the way it is in your reference. Okay, one tool that is very useful when creating skin textures is the kneadable eraser. Okay, and also the mono zero eraser when creating skin texture, and also try to add skin pores and blemishes, that kind of imperfections. Try to create them. They really add a certain or a different realism to your work. Okay, and also put more focus on highlights, very high areas. Okay, try to create highlights in your work. They add a certain kind of shine to your work, and I usually use the electronic eraser for this areas. Usually they are not a large surface area, just certain parts of the work that catches a lot of light. They really put a shine on your work. Okay, so thank you guys for sticking around to the end. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.